And subscribe right now if you are not subscribed already. Hi guys, Corinne here and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am a 30-year-old woman of transgender experience and today we're talking about my boobs, my boob job. It is now 2 months since I had surgery and they feel amazing. Okay, so I wasn't planning on making a video today, but since I'm already here in front of my camera and it is my 8 weeks, 2 months since my surgery. Hi, I'm back. So I guess let's start with, I went to Dr. Peter Raphael in Plano, Texas at American Institute for Plastic Surgery, and I got my breasts in the size of 425 cc's and I paid $6,500 for them, and it is now 2 months and they are looking amazing, I think. This is what they are looking like in this top. I have worn this on here a couple times now, so if you go look at my old videos you can see what they look like before. Okay, so the things that I have noticed and how my recovery has gone is, I guess by 3 weeks I had started to feel different, because so before it felt like an object was in there and I could feel it, like it was very uncomfortable. Not very, I mean, it was uncomfortable, but it felt like there was an item like in my body, 2 of them right here. And now by the time of 3 weeks, they just felt like it just felt like my body. It didn't feel like there was something in there. And now they're like squishier. They're not so hard. I mean, I'm pretty sure they will be softer later, but right now they are feeling a lot better than they did. By the time of 7 weeks, nearly 8, I guess, I had noticed that stretching isn't really like too hard now, and it's not hurting. Like, yeah, my incisions don't hurt like they were a few weeks ago, and they're actually looking really good. I'll try to put some pictures up for y'all. So at my second post-op appointment, the nurse gave me this silicone tape. She told me I could get it off of Amazon, and it just looks like this. And it's just sticky on this side. And yeah, it's to help your incisions heal better. So yeah. At my appointment, they literally just looked at them and they're like, okay, they look great. And gave me silicone tape and booked my next appointment. I feel like that's all that happened. And that appointment, my second appointment, was 2 weeks after surgery. Well, it was really almost 3 weeks because just the way they booked me, I guess. But it was almost 3 weeks. I did sleep on my back for maybe 4 weeks, I'm thinking. But I was told that I could sleep on my side if it were comfortable. But it wasn't too comfortable until about 4 weeks, I think. And showering with the water hitting me in the front, they told me that I was okay to do that as long as it's comfortable. By the 2 weeks or whatever, when my second appointment was, they told me that I could shower with the water hitting me in the front. They just said only if it's comfortable. I've been sleeping on my side since about 4 weeks, but I did start showering with the water hitting me in the front at 3 weeks. That 2.5, 3 weeks time where I had my second appointment. But sleeping on my side did feel weird at first. It felt like, I don't know, like it was uncomfortable at first, but now I'm pretty good. I can kind of sleep like on my stomach, but not really. I wouldn't recommend it, I don't think. Just do whatever is comfortable, basically, is what they said. So I'm just doing that. I have a lot of sports bras, and I have one really good one that has fit me the entire time and has been like comfortable and nice. It's like, it looks nice on me. But my other sports bras, They didn't really fit me at first. They felt very uncomfortable, and like it felt like too much pressure. It was like, you know, but a few weeks later, they started to feel better. I think about 6 weeks was when they started to feel comfortable enough to wear. My Adidas bras, however, my Amazon bras are the ones that fit now, but were very uncomfortable at first. But my Adidas bras are like way too tight and small. I don't think I will ever fit in those again. A lot of girls say how they had like this tight pressure and it was like, it felt like something sitting on your chest or whatever, but I never really got that. And I would get it for only a second though. Like I feel like it wouldn't last very long if I did have that feeling. It was never very tight. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't think I was feeling what they were feeling. It just didn't seem like that's what they were talking about. I think because I did have plenty of breast tissue, I didn't suffer from that, and I didn't go so huge. So that's good for me. I don't think that I will be doing like a swimsuit video anytime soon. I think I'm gonna wait until summer maybe, just to get like a real big difference. I mean, I don't know how different they're gonna look by then, but I mean, I like how they look now, but if they can look better, then that'd be great. That's for the guy that said something about trans girls burping or something in the comments last time. Riding in the car isn't so bad anymore. Like before I could like feel them and it was very uncomfortable in cars, but now they're just part of my body now and it doesn't feel bad. And for like, I can lift things usually and it's fine. I have been going to the gym now finally and I feel fine. It doesn't, like I go on the treadmill for 2 to 3 miles and like I've been going very light with weights, like very, very light. I've been using 5 pounds because I don't want to like hurt myself, but I just do it like as like a lot to try to get like some kind of workout going. So I got my boobs done January 4th. I had my 2 post-op appointments in January and my next appointment is going to be in May. I think it's like late May. I feel like I don't have too much to say, but I am gonna show you the side. And this is what it is looking like. I will say that there was a moment where my breasts got very like dry and flaky. Not like too much, it wasn't like crazy looking, but like you're gonna have to moisturize them because they're gonna get, I think it's from like the stretching and all of that. Like the nipple got kind of flaky also, but it was like right here and like the nipple, but it was never like so bad. But you will have to moisturize because it will get itchy and dry. And yeah, it's not painful though. Like it doesn't hurt your skin or anything. I will say that I have noticed like, maybe I just didn't pay attention before, or maybe it's just happening now. I don't know. But especially this one, I feel like I can see my veins like a lot more. I don't know if that's, I don't know. I was really lucky to not like suffer from being nauseous or anything. And the pain wasn't too bad. I've said before, it was like mainly the first 2 to 3 days. And yeah, for the most part, after that, you could do everything on your own by like maybe after 2 weeks, maybe. Up until then, you don't want to like be too rough with anything or like doors, like car doors and just like heavy things you don't want to mess with on your own. So this is what they're looking like and I'm obsessed. I love them so much. And yeah, I guess that's it. So It's a very short video, so hopefully you like this video and subscribe right now if you are not subscribed already. And if you're interested, don't forget to click on my OnlyFans and subscribe to that as well. I do think that I will feel more confident wearing my short hair or wearing my hair in a ponytail with having bigger boobs. So that's nice because I hate having short hair and I hate wearing my hair in a ponytail because of like my shoulders. And I don't know, it just looks better with an actual chest. Okay, well, I guess that's all for today. If you're subscribed, I'll see you next time. Bye.